Hello everyone, welcome to learn Style3D Simulator. This lesson is the 9th section of the in-depth course on Simulator. The focus is on clothing caching in Simulator. Also known as the offline simulation clothing caching mode in Simulator. It offers improved recording efficiency and reduced volume compared to ABC. For example, the recorded volume is approximately 1/3 of the traditional ABC format. It also includes automatic subpackaging. Features like node playback and blending transitions are added. This allows for more diverse business scenario requirements. Open our UE project. In the Simulator plugin on the right, change the simulation mode to cache recording. Below, you will see cache record and cache record setting. In cache record, you can set the name of the cached file. Cache frame rate is the setting for the playback frame rate of the cache. Cache recording rate is the speed at which the cache is recorded. It is recommended to record the cache at a speed slower than 1. Incorrect recording rates can affect playback speed. Simulation rate is the timescale for simulation. It scales the simulation effects. Acceleration can be achieved when it's less than 1. It produces special effects during simulation. Record character animation is for recording character animation cache. During cache playback, it ensures synchronization between character animation and clothing cache. Cached subpackage volume is the size of the cached subpackage. Automatic subpackaging when the cache recording reaches the set size. Maximum size should not exceed 2048 megabytes. It is recommended to set it to 1024 megabytes. During cache recording, in the solving properties, async mode and smooth animation should be unchecked. Otherwise, there may be penetration during cache playback. Unused properties can be unchecked. For example, stream map color for stress map color. To prevent resource usage. After all values are set, click Simulate to start recording. During simulation, the cache generation progress will be displayed in the lower right corner of the editor. Files are saved by default in content/style3D garment cache. Differentiated by naming folders after the clothing. When the Kiki cache file stops running, the cache file will be automatically saved at this point. After successfully saving the cache file, there will be a corresponding message prompt. If you want to play the recorded cache, you need to switch to cache playback mode. And in cache play, enter the name of the cached file. The cache playback starting point is set to the time when the cache playback begins. By default, it is set to 0, starting from the beginning. Set the duration of blending between simulation and cache playback. Here is the cache playback speed. The character automatically adapts to the cache playback speed. It is the rate applied to character movement. It works in conjunction with the cache playback speed. Use the character's initial pose. The pose of the character is recorded in the cache. If the character's animation blueprint is not effective, you can check this option. This is to match the character's time. If adapt character animation is checked during cache recording, it can be enabled during playback. Here is the loop mode. Post-processing is done after cache penetration. It can fix small-scale penetration between the cache and the human body. This is the duration of blending the loop head and tail. It can be used in conjunction with the loop mode. After setting is complete, click Simulate to play the recorded cache. Here, please note that if the character's animation exceeds the recorded cache duration, the clothing will stop. At the end of the cache, you can choose to check record character animation during recording and check match character duration during playback. This can resolve the issue. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Feel free to like and share the video. Join the comment section and leave your comments. See you in the next video.